Hello friends, I am Nitin Sharma, Senior Faculty at Coding Bytes.
Hello friends, today we will discuss on the sequential data type in the Python. Basically, what is sequential data type? Sequential data type is basically the special kind of variable which holds the multiple values in the sequence manner. Okay, and then sequential data type, it has the list, tuple, string, array. Okay, here today we will discuss about list and tuple. Okay, list or the tuple, both are the collection of elements is called list or tuple, but list always mentioned within the large bracket. Okay, and tuple mentioned in the small bracket. And here list is the mutable type. It means we can change, update, add, insert, delete, any kind of operation we can perform on the list. But tuple is the immutable type. It means no any kind of changes will not provide by the tuple. Okay. The the list element always accessed through its index position. Here, for example, we have a list here, L is equal to, and list have lot of elements here. And then every element we can access through the index position of the element. So print L of 0. It means zeroth element is, it means it will display the read. It will display the first element of the list. Okay. And then index position always start with the 0. Okay. So zeroth element is 3. First element is 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. All are basically the element. And then here, one more example, and I will perform these topic on the Python shell. It means L is equal to this one, this one. Okay. This is our list here. Here. Okay. Just a minute. Yes. This one. Okay. This is the list. And then list have lot of elements. And then here we use the length function used to numbers of elements in the list. Okay. We have 7 elements in the list. And we can access the value of 5. Value of 5, it means we can write the L of 0. L of 0, it means it will display the first element of the list. Okay. Here, the list have the mutable type. It means we can also add the element. We can also add the element into the list. We add the 56. But these elements will add into the list end of the list. Okay. It means new element will added end of the list. Okay. Now here we have lot of functions here like append, insert, extend. Try are the put the element into the list. Pop and remove is used to delete the element from the list, and sort and reverse also used to rearrange the elements, and index and count to function used to check the index position of any value, and count is used to, it will display the frequency of the value. Okay, in the list. It means L dot count is 5. Okay. So in the list, 5 is basically the two times in the list. First is first element, and then this is this one. Okay. So next one, it will display the index position index function. Okay. Index function is index of the 78. It means second index. It means 0th, 1, and 2. These are our index position here. Now another section, we use the pop function. We can use the sort function here. We use the sort function used to sorted the list in the ascending order. And any kind of operation we can perform on the list using some of functions here. This one, all these are functions here. But tuple have basically two kind of functions, like index and another one is count. The both function will not provide any kind of changes in the list or the tuple. So it will show the value. Okay. So the L dot count. Count is basically provide the counting of the frequency of the 5, and index function is providing the position of the given value. Okay. So here we have two functions. These are works on the tuple. Tuple, it means T is our tuple, and then tuple mentioned within the small brackets. So we can change the any value of 0 index. Okay. And tuples provide the error. So tuples does not provide the any kind of changes in the tuple. Okay. Here we can use the count function used to display the frequency of the value. Okay. So here 6 is basically the 3 times. Okay. T dot, T is basically here 1, 2nd, and 3rd. Okay. This is the tuple. And then we can also use the index function. And index function, we have 3 times of 6, but it will provide the first index value of the first 6. Okay. So it will provide the one answer. One is the index position of the 6. First index position of the 6. Okay. Here we have lot of functions, and most of the cases, we use the list data type. Okay. List data type can change any kind of value, any kind of list. Okay. So it have lot of function. One more question is basically, what is the difference between list and array? Okay. What is the difference between list and array? List have the multiple types of value. List can, and list is collection of multiple types of value, multiple kind of value, like integer, float, then string. Okay. So list have the multiple kinds of value like this one, 10, comma, Anil, comma, 10.5. Okay. List have the 3 elements here, but all element have different data types. Okay. So the type function is used to provide the data type of the list. So L1 list is the list type. Okay. But the L1 of 0, okay, L1 of 0, it means it will provide the class int. Class int is basically the different data type. Okay. And then we can access the L of 1 L1 of 1, it will give the answer string. Okay, so here L1 of 1, then it will provide the string. Okay, so the list have the multiple types of values. Okay, but array is basically the collection of similar kind of value. It means array always have the same kind of value, not a different types of value. So array, it have same kinds of value. Okay, so it is basically the sequential data types in the Python. Okay, in the priority basis, Python sequential data type is basically the list. Another one is tuple. If string is also the sequential data type, but we will discuss on later, okay, in a separate session. So today we discuss on list and the tuple, and list and tuple have any kind of element we can access through its index position. Okay, so index position always start from 0, and then we can also the negative indexing. It means, and the last element of the list, here we have a list, here, and L of -1. It means -1, it will start from end of the list. Okay, so 78 is on -1 index. Okay, so it will give this answer, and -2, it will give the 56 answer, and then -3, it will give the next element. Okay, so the negative indexing will start from end of the list, and then 0 index, it will start from the first position of the element. Okay, we have the both kind of options here. Okay, thank you.